Well, hello Beaux and Bells! Ngayon naman gagawa tayo ng pianono, a Filipino roll cake na napakasimple at napakadaling gawin, but also delicious pastry filled with butter and sugar or cream. 7 eggs, ayan, separate natin yung egg whites and egg yellow, yung 7 tablespoons ng sifted flour, 7 tablespoons white sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and kailangan natin ng 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And kailangan din pala natin guys ng vanilla essence. So yan guys, handang-handa na lahat yung ating ingredients sa paggawa ng pianono. So ngayon naman, ang gagawin natin is to beat yung egg whites natin sa mixer hanggang sa maging soft and fluffy. Now guys, ready na tayo to beat the egg yolks together with the vanilla essence while slowly adding in flour and milk in medium speed. Now at this stage guys, i-add na natin spoon per spoon yung ating soft and fluffy egg whites. Now that the batter is ready and smooth, i-transfer na natin siya sa baking pan. Now ready na tayo to bake it at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Ooh, look at that guys, it's so beautiful, it came out so good. Okay guys, so habang mainit pa yung ating pianono, kailangan na natin siyang i-roll para hindi siya mag-break. Ngayon na medyo hindi na siya mainit guys, we can unfold it and then spread the desired filling na gusto natin. And yung pinili ko is yung sugar and butter mixture. Okay, so spread lang natin siya and then we roll it back.